Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix WhatsApp backup not working over cellular data. So let's get started. So basically guys, if your cellular data connection is weak or if you have limited data remaining on your plan, WhatsApp backup may not work properly. Ensure you have a stable cellular data connection and sufficient data allowance. So even after that, if it's not working, then simply tap on the settings app on your uh, mobile device. Inside settings app, scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Inside general, scroll and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and tap on the reset network settings. So what happens is it will reset all your network settings and fix the network glitches or any bug improvements as well. So simply tap on the network settings and now go back to the WhatsApp settings and tap on the chats. Also guys, make sure that the WhatsApp has the necessary permission to use cellular data. uh, Go to the your device settings and find the apps or application messenger and look at WhatsApp and ensure that it has permission to use cellular data as well. Now simply tap on the backup now option available after the reset and it will start backing up. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.